Hi family, Lorna here back at you with another simple vegan recipe. Today we'll be making almond butter. Let me just quickly wash my hands here and then we're gonna get started. So what happened when I buy the almond in the store, bulk barn, I got mine from Costco. I put it to soak for 24 hours. And then after 24 hours, you just do this and it just slides off. So I like to take the skins off my almond before I use it. So basically this is what I do and get all the skins off. So I just wanted to show you that first, and it also soak them, which cannot hurt to have it soaked. So okay, and then I put the almonds in the oven to make them roast. Not too dark, because if you make it go too dark, then the almond butter is gonna come out black or the color of how it was roasted. Okay, let me go ahead and do this. So I'm going to pour out the, okay, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to try. It's very, hi dear. Okay, you're in the video, but it's gonna stay. Okay, so I'll be right there. So you just pour it out like this. I'm trying to get it in the Vitamix mix because that's very powerful to chop it up. So okay, so now we're going to put it in the Vitamix and we're going to blend. Hold on. Okay. Okay. I have to turn it on first. Okay, I started at 5:32 and I am stopping here just for a minute. I usually like to give it a little stop. So that's 1 minute gone and see it's becoming pasty. I just want to give the blender a little minute to cool down. Not sure if it needs it, but just to make sure. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so family, that took 5 minutes to do. Sorry you had to put up with this. So I'm just trying to show you how simple, how easy it is to make your own almond butter. You don't have to buy the store-bought one. You don't have to go and, like I said, you never know what's in the things that you're buying. So if you can do something at home for your family, because your family's health and your health is in your hands. So you have to take it back. You have to do something, and this is one way of doing something. Let me get a spatula. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so here, as easy as that, almond butter. So just pour it out. You saw me do it. I soak the almonds, I put them in the oven, and then I blend them. That's it. So simple, so easy. Life should not be complicated. It's so easy for us to go in the stores and just pick one up. But do you know how expensive almond butter is? It's very expensive. So if you can do it yourself and get the pride and the health benefits, way to go. So this was 4 cups of almonds that I did. Hold on, let me clean them up here. 4 cups of almonds, my almond butter. And I'm going to put the rest in this little one because this is my traveling jar. Whenever I'm going out, I have my little lunch bag, so I pack everything that I want in here. I don't need to put that in right now. But yeah, family, that's it. That's what I want to come on here and just to show you my homemade almond butter that took me less than half an hour between putting it in the oven and blending it. I hope that you try it. I hope that you are blessed by it. And please remember to share this video with someone who you think might want to learn how to make almond butter. Share, like, subscribe, comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you have any ideas of what other butters could I make, let me know. Thank you and have a blessed day.